Na only Tinubu go choose im running mate for 2027. Mustapha Salihu. Welcome country people to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you alert once we drop update. Like, comment and share our videos. The All Progressives Congress National Vice Chairman Northeast, Mustapha Salihu, don tok say na President Bola Tinubu be the only person wey e get right to choose im running mate for the 2027 election. Salihu say the constitutional authority to choose running mate na for the president hand e dey, no be for any caucus. E dey tok dis one after e narrowly escape a violent mob attack for the APC Northeast stakeholders meeting for Gombe, where dem for endorse President Tinubu for second term. Salihu say na the prerogative of Tinubu to choose a running mate when e do one live appearance for television. He say no such thing as a joint ticket for party primaries. Only the presidential candidate dey emerge, and then na im go choose who go be a running mate after im become the flag bearer. The APC shifting, he say the final decision e remain solely with the presidential candidate to choose who go be im running mate. He admit say the party and stakeholders dem go consult dem before dem dey make the decision. He say but e no compulsory. He say even though the party and stakeholders may be consulted, he say constitutionally na the right of the candidate to choose. He come talk say problem no dey between Tinubu and Shettima. He accuse political opportunists dem say dem dey fuel the discord within the ruling party. He say some people dey thrive on creating tension. He say dem dey call those type of people crisis entrepreneurs. He say dem dey manipulate situations like this to create confusion and to benefit from am. He say you must hear rumors, especially when elections don draw near.